Hey guys, this is Juan from Team Sketch2React, and I'm going to just show you a quick round about what we are working on right now, and also we just released a new tutorial on how to publish and host your website on Dropbox. So this is came up with a talk that me and Frederick had with Francesco from Sketch, where we showed him Sketch2React, and he came with a lot of useful feedback. One thing was that we could show how to quickly publish Sketch2React HTML to somewhere. Since I know that most designers don't have a clue how to actually upload exported code to servers, I started digging a bit, and I found a service called Dropbox that is actually free, up to 50 megabytes of storage, and that is enough. I guarantee you that for these kind of websites. So I just dug into that and started to okay, how can we make this work for Sketch2React? So I wrote this tutorial, and you can find it on our blog. It's sketch2react.io/blog, and it's actually very straightforward. I go through all the steps here. There is just a tiny little thing that you need to change if you compare it to the usual Sketch2React linking behavior. So I go into deep detail here, so I really recommend you looking through this tutorial. Dropbox is actually hyper fast, so when you get this working, it's actually a really nice way to quickly export and publish a site on your own Dropbox. So that's one thing. Another thing, a new thing, is that we updated our Sketch2React conventions assistant for Sketch, and now it's we added one more rule, and that is a really important rule that has to do with external assets. So when you if you go to our docs, you will find all the rules here explained, and the new one is here at the end. It's artboard. The rule goes: artboards must contain at least one text layer named external asset.css. So this is, you will need to use this for all of your pages, because at least you have fonts, and you want to embed the fonts so they look good everywhere. So and maybe you use icons, like I use ion icons a lot. You will need to embed the CSS for that also, and maybe you have even made a custom CSS, like I often do. So this makes sure that you remember this really important rule. Really great little update, and you update it. If you have already installed our assistant, it will prompt you and say there's a new version of it. If not, you just go to either our docs, we have the link here, or you can go to the Sketch Assistants directory and download it from there. Another thing we are doing is we're working really hard to create our own marketplace and finish it. So I'm working with that. I have set up a WooCommerce site, and I'm adding things, and we are going to sell our licenses there and templates, and you will of course be able to find free ones, of course, like today. But it is for us, it's a great way to just merge everything we have. You will have your own account, you can go there and re-download stuff. So this is for us, this is a huge thing. So that's a bit about it. Just a quick roundabout about things that are cooking in our kitchen. Have a great one, guys. Cheers.